bunch of parts, turbo parts, radiator. We've got radiator hoses. There's this jumper harness for the ECU. What are these? Lower control arm bolts. Spark plug wires. Oh, I almost dropped this. Pretty sure this is distributor, and this is all except for my door. So we're just gonna test fit everything. Make sure everything works right. All right, so 10, 11, 12. And then we'll do 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so 10 mil, 10 mil. Hopefully this all on without. Don't see that happening unless I'm going from the bottom. I don't have a lift. This would be enough for me, but we're gonna try. Pull up. I knew that was gonna be a problem. Ooh. Rough draft of how the turbo kit is sitting. Everything looks pretty decent in like placement. Besides, if you look down here, it sits really low. I'm not sure if like it's supposed to, swing up above here or whatever, but definitely supposed to be like that. It's sitting like this. So. Come over to this side. Also not bad. It's not sitting lower than the oil pan, but I might just cut it shorter up top there, just to bring everything up a little bit. Well, that's the turbo kit. So let me see if I can put something under it so it can sit how I want it. All right, yeah, that's it. Way better. I'm getting attacked by all these freaking gnats. Yeah, definitely gonna have to square that up, but this is how it's looking. We need to figure out how everything's gonna sit with the radiator. We're gonna have to move something over. So this radiator everything sits pretty much. This is not how everything's gonna sit. I got some cutting and some welding to do, but not me, but whoever's gonna be doing it. That was in crossbow, but there's just a lot of freaking pain in there. Alright, well that's where it's gonna go. Still need to freaking cut and weld the bottom prong for it to hold in for itself. Let me just. This is basically all just for clearance. Nothing's really like going on. Taking everything back off. I just needed to make sure everything can go as smoothly as it can when I do put everything on. Alright, let's get back to this because I really want to go inside. Alright. So now that's all in there. We can figure out how this needs to go. It needs to sit like that. This just looks like a big problem it's gonna create. Alright, once everything is set and like how it's supposed to be, it's not a bad setup. Alright, like I said before, just a rough draft of how everything is gonna sit. Like, that's not how I want it. Like, that's terrible. So we're gonna have to cut and weld some new pieces for the turbo intercooler. I might end up just running it through here just to clear up some of the space, make it a little bit easier, because this rubbing is not, that's a no-go. Like, it's not a lot of space that I thought I had. So we're just gonna probably take it behind here, drop it down here. Doesn't look like I'm gonna have to cut my bumper right there. Right there. Usually what people have to cut their J4 bumpers to make the turbo kit fit. But it looks like I should be good. And if not, I guess I'll just have to cut around it. We're gonna start putting on stuff that's gonna stay on, take all the turbo stuff off. So we got a brand new distributor, also with brand new spark plugs. Just gonna go ahead and just this on real quick. Just don't have to worry about it. Now y'all might laugh at me, but I'm about to go on Honda Tech Google because I don't know the firing order. So pretty sure it's 1, 2, no, that don't even sound right. Now where they go on a distributor, I have no clue. All right, well, for now, I'm just gonna put them on here and then I'll change them later. Boom. So now I just need to get my starter, put the load control on, bushings in, the ECU, and then wire up these two freaking lines. I freaking cut them at the ECU. And now I need to figure out which one is the butterfly and which one is the whatchamacallit. Whatever. I just need to figure out what they are. Simple as that. I know what they are. I just need to know which one inside the car goes to which way. So I guess I have to use a multimeter or whatever power probe. So get everything else, put all the things back on. Maybe we'll hear with the turbo next video. Never know.